YouTube, y'all know what the fuck going on. Little sideways hanging this bitch. Yes sir, yes sir. Little nighttime POV action. Shit. I mean, fucking thank her. Alright, no. I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. I'm just gonna let y'all hear that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, late night. I'm blazed. So y'all just gonna be hearing that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie to you. Make sure y'all can see that motherfucker. Oh, damn. Y'all can see that bit. Make sure y'all can see what's going on. Quiet though, like, oh, damn, buddy, in the punch book, I'm gonna crash. I'm supposed to be linking over one of the guys later on. Shit, we'll see how the night go, y'all. Shit, it's hot as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, that's all I can say. It's hot as shit right now. Fucking burning up in this bitch. Corvette. BMW, sounding good. Fuck it, I might as well go window down. I'll let y'all hear this bitch. Push bro, finna get fucked up. I know how I get at this bitch. There's a lot of fucking kids out here today, y'all. I'm gonna fucking move through that city. I gotta, hey y'all, I bet all these little shits. Oh, what is this little bike behind me? Hope this nigga run to the back of my shit, man. Through the city with it bitty. No more. $360 on that bitch. That motherfucker sound good. That motherfucker sound good. Ooh, that motherfucker sound right. Y'all hear YouTube? GoPro action. That motherfucker sounded. Well, y'all want me to give him a show real quick, y'all? Fuck out that bitch. Okay, I was already in the middle of the fucking street. Willie Baba looking over there. Well, I don't even know what to do, y'all. I'm just chilling right now. Ooh, thought there was a Grand Reaper behind me. I don't give a fuck about that Grand Reaper. Grand Reaper behind me. I don't give a fuck. Grand Reaper get his ass hit. Oh shit, big ass mama dude got the motherfucking back of the motherfucking truck. let's fuck on your bitch. Yeah. I'm just calling with a motherfucker to leave. I'm just trying to get to the highway, little bro. Little bro, I'm just trying to get to the highway, little bro. Shit going. Shit going. Shit rolling. Why you flash his lights? Before I get on this bitch, y'all. I ain't blink that bitch, but shit. Hey, I'm geeked enough. Fuck it. I read the rank off. Action. Read the rank on lockdown. Might be a little windy, y'all. Throw this shit up. My bad. I ain't gonna lie, I got a target. He ain't want to play the league. I ain't gonna lie, he ain't really want to fuck out this bitch. On my mama, nigga. They got downstairs. Let's try it. Who say charge?